Importing database. At this stage, we add the data to the Surpac software. The first step is to drag the database from here, Moody for knowledge.ddb, drag it into the graphic screen. Already connected to database. Okay. Next, we go to the database and select import data from here, database, import data. This table appears. Select format file for load / or unload, where we name database name, format file name, Moody for knowledge. Okay. Report file name, Moody for knowledge format .not /Surpac node file. Apply. Confirm creation of new format file. Moody for knowledge.dsc mean description, which indicates the file extension and describes and define how the database was built. We then click apply. Select database table to include in format. The first column is table name. The second column is include, where we select the data we want to import into the software by checking box in front of it. The third column is format, consisting of free and fixed, but we leave it set to free. The fourth column is delimiter, where we choose the type of decimal separator. And we have a space fill, meaning that if we decide to leave a field blank, Surpac will report it as a blank. The sixth one is text qualifier, which we leave set to none. After that, we click apply. Select fields to include in format. Here we enter the column numbers as shown. For example, we start with color file, and notice that open the color file. And notice that whole ID is in column 1, whole ID, column 1, Y, column 2, X, column 3, Z, column 4, depth, column 5, fallback, column 6. So we make match. Whole ID, column 1, okay, column 2, Y, column 3, X, column 4, Z, and max depths, column 5, whole back, column 6, whole type, column 7. See, no, we don't have whole type, so we remove check mark from here. First, we put 0 on our column, and we remove check mark from include. So now we disclude this whole type. Next, survey table. Open survey, whole ID number 1, depth number 2. We don't have Y, we don't have X, we don't have Z, and deep number 3, and azimuth number 4. Okay, we repeat this process for the remaining tables. Now assay files, open assay, whole ID 1 from 2 to 2 to 3, AU4, whole ID 1, sample ID, we don't have sample ID, so we put 0 here and remove mark. Okay, open assay file from here so we can easily to compare. Whole ID, depth from number 2, we'll make it 2 here. Okay, depth to number 3, AU number 4, we don't have sample type here. If we see assay, we don't have sample type. So put 0 and exclude sample type from our column. Now we go to geology table, open geology table from here. Whole ID number 1 from number 2, whole ID number 1, we don't have sample ID. First we put 0 and exclude it. From in the column number 2, depth from will be column number 2 and depth 2 will be 3. Lithology, we'll see if we have lithology, depth to number 3, we have rock number 4, lithology number 5. We make it here for lithology, we make it 3, 4. The style table will be arranged by Surpac, so don't worry about it. Then click apply. Now we will see this window, load database tables from text files. Where we select the type of tables we want to import into the database. Enabling the option perform overlapping sample check allows Surpac to read any samples that overlap. For example, if we have an interval from 1 to 2, the midpoint between them is 1.5. The Surpac will read it. This option is used in the assay and geology files. Next, we have the option maximum errors allowed during load. If we set the value to 50, for example, Surpac will not be able to read more than 50 errors. At the bottom, there is a column text file name. Here, text file name, table name, translation, color, survey, assay, geology style. Text file name, where we place the corresponding CSV file in its designated field. Translation, we choose translation, open. Color, we choose color. Survey, assay, geology, style, we don't have style, so it's okay. For the third column, we have the options insert, which allows for the insertion of new data, and update, which allows for updating only the saved data. Therefore, we select insert and update. Insert, update, we select insert and update. insert update, insert update, insert update, insert update. Okay. Here also we don't want translation. Then press apply. Complete load for database Moody for knowledge. You see here Moody for knowledge dot DSC description, database management, database load report, 17 of July 2024. Date, database format file, loading table, translation form, CSV 4 records, 0 records, 1 record, loading table, color from file color, loading table survey from survey, loading table assay from file assay CSV, and so on. Okay. Now there is some of the thing you can do after importing your data into the database. Go to edit, edit table. You can select the type of table that you want to edit. For example, select color table, define query, apply, define query constraints, then apply. Okay, now you can change what you want. For example, we can change Y coordinate or X or Z or max depth or whole ID. But we don't want to make any change from our database. Then cancel. Can also go to edit, insert record. For example, choose assay, apply, define insert rows template, and screw the bottom down and add a new record from here. Add. Cancel. We can also go to edit, delete record, or rename drill hole, and enter old drill hole and enter new drill hole ID. So by this we can change the name of our drill hole ID. Cancel. We can also go to edit, transform drill holes, transform drill holes to another grid, all points, and add new points. So we can change our coordinates also. Cancel. We can also go to edit, change bearing of drill holes by enter, change bearing of drill holes by enter magnetic, change bearing by enter bearing correction, by enter magnetic declination here. Cancel. Now connect our database. Go to database, Moody, select display drill holes, display drill holes from here, or we can display our drill holes from here, from this from icon here. or display from here, display drill holes. You see display drill holes. Go to our database. You see draw holes, add constraint to holes. Remove this. We don't need constraint. Trace style table assay field AU. Apply. These are drill holes. For now, we can close our drill holes from database here. Close. In the next video, we will set the style for the assay and lithology on your drill holes. See you.